Welcome to Joel's Cruise Vacation House here in Baguio. Okay, for rent na po ngayon to, no? Pero kayo mag-check-in dito. And yes, check ko natin, no? Yung kanilang rooms and rates. Okay, let's get inside. Pasok po tayo. Pasok, pasok. Pasok, pasok. Okay, attention, attention. Lamig. Buti may jacket ka, malamig ha? Wala, kaya malamig. Alright, that's it. Okay. So ito pa interior inside, no? Nicely interiored and decorated pa, no? Okay, that's it, no? So nice. Okay, this is Joel Cruz with his or her adopted children or surrogated children. So nice. Okay, we're in reception area. That's my wife Pam. Maganda, maganda here. I like it here. Wow, this is the grand living room. Yes. Ganda naman. Wow. Oh. These are the restrooms. Wow, nice. Ladies and gents. Ang bango. Yeah. Ang bango po, kailangan bathroom. Okay. Busted po ang isang ilaw doon. Okay, that's it. Wow, this is the grand staircase, no? Modern. Okay, granite. Pink granite. Let's check po. Wow, there's a billiard table here on the ground. And this is basement po ito, no? Okay, there's a pool, no? So meron po itong casino table. Okay, casino table, and they have a nice table here. Okay, may billiard table, playground, and what's this? Oh, aquarium? Yes, aquarium po. Okay. So, meron ding, ano po rito, meron gym area. Yeah. Mini gym. Okay. So, meron gym, meron din po siyang sauna. Alright. Sauna rin. Oh. So, nice naman here. Sauna and yes, that's a bath area. And a sauna and a jacuzzi. Yeah. That's the jacuzzi po, no? And there's the pool outside. Oh. Okay. There's a nice pool here. Let's check now. So this is the White House, the Lord of Fence. Yeah. So Joel Cruz spent a lot here, no? Spent a lot of money, no, for this huge White House here in Baguio. Okay. Ito pa yung pool area, pero napakalamig po ngayon, no? I wonder if it is heated pool, no? Okay. Napakalabig po. Grabe, ganda oh. So nice naman here. So, wala nang water dito. I believe mayroong water to before. No? Oh, mayroon pang live. What do you call that? Ito pa yung pool area. Medyo malalim, ha? Okay. Medyo malalim, ha? Okay, so smells good, no? Amoy ano po siya, no? Amoy pine trees, pine scent. Okay, this is the White House of the Lord of Fence. Okay? Yes, hindi po siya Lord of the Rings. Lord of Fence. Okay. Alit na ho tayo. Napakalamig po ngayon, grabe. Unexpected po ang lamig, no? Outstanding brand. Okay, ganda po tayo. Okay, they have lots of facilities here, no? So, I think I like to try to stay here for one night. Okay, try natin dito one night. Why not? Okay, good.
Wait, kasi nandito kami sa kabila, lilipat kami tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, meron po rito ang elevator.
Tinatanong ko sa kanya kasi meron kaming 20, may senior? Meron, parang...
Bukas, ma'am, 10, ay 9.
So, ito po yung mga ano.
Bali, kwan po kami. Tanong po namin sa side namin kasi 10, may shooting po kami, ma'am. May shooting po dito sa...
Ng kailan sa... Bukas ba, te? Ngayon pa lang nakasama.
Oo, ma'am.
10 naman, nag-out naman kami, di ba?
Oo, 10 out namin. Pwede. Let's go check. May theater dito?
Kasi para ay time naman out na rin.
Oo, out na tayo ng 10.
Kaya po, pag madaling araw po, ma'am, makamonster po kayo, may nagsisita po kasi madaling araw. Yes po.
Okay lang pala.
Kasi mahirap din po, ma'am, minsan.
Okay lang.
Mamamaya.
Experience lang for experience. Sige.
Maingay yun yun, sir.
Ang maririnig. Parang hindi naman naririnig sa room.
Hindi marinig sa room yan. Ito pa rin theater po. Ang ganda
Di ba,
ng
kung
theater.
gusto niyo po, ma'am, dito po kayo sa pinaka-fourth floor.
Yun. Okay, what
Eh di gawin mo na lang, i-upgrade nyo kami siguro.
Oo, pwede na lang. Or di may nga yan. Wow.
Fourth po kasi, ma'am.
Ciao.
Ayun po kasi, ma'am.
Galing, no?
Ayun po, 25 ma'am.
Galing, no? Lord of the Rings, oh.
Bali yung 10 bike namin, ma'am, meron kami dito.
Wow, that's it. Ganda, oh. Putsa. Okay. Kami na po today, relaxing na po, no? Yes. Meron po itong movie theater room. Yes. Meron po siyang comfortable po na lazy boy. Okay? So, we will try to book here for one night and experience this luxurious of Joel Cruz's residence here in Baguio. Ewan! Okay, now here on the fourth floor, no, meron siyang deck po dito for, yes, maybe party, no? And dito mga, parang dito siya nagagamit, no? So, dito pala na maabot yung kanilang staircase, no? Yes, hanggang 4th floor. Meron siyang elegant na, stairwell. At the back mo, meron pa ng golf course pala rito. Yes. Golf course. Okay, sarap pa muna ng smell, no? Pine scent, pine trees po. Okay, so itong kay Joel Cruz po na Lord of the Sands White House is just beside po ng Forest Lodge and Manor Hotel. Sarap maging mayaman. Ito lang, no? Sarap maging mayaman, Lord. No? At least hindi tayo ganun super yaman. Matreho lang natin. Mag-stay ho tayo dito overnight, 2 days, no? Para ma-enjoy na po natin ito. No? You don't have to spend this much, no? Para ma-enjoy nyo ito. Pwede naman kayo mag-rent. 2 days and 1 night. Yes. Okay. Wonderful views, oh. Grabe. So, pag sobrang yaman ako, no? Siyempre, pag napagsawaan na, hindi na ako nila pinapasya naman lang ito. Nakita nyo, dumi na ng sego. No? Dumi. Sobrang sa yaman marami kang properties na hindi niya na napapasyalan, napapabayaan. Okay? So ayan po, medyo nagkalat na ulit yung mga gamit, naging bodega na, no? What's this? What's this? Oh, okay. Washroom. Okay? That's in the America, that's powder room. Okay, check lang natin. Maaaring mag-book ko tayo rito. No? Overnight here sa fourth floor. Ilan ba rooms dito? Dito 3. Ito, meron pa sa isa rito. 11 rooms lahat to? Grabe yung mga bata. Spoiled na spoiled. Tigi-tigi sa room sila. Ha? Grabe yung mga bata. Pucha. Tigi-tigi sa ganito kalalaki? Laki ito, Ito. Good. Sige, para ano tayo rito? Hindi tayo istorbo. Okay, it's good.
Sabi nga niya, pwede tayo mag-early check-in.
Okay, very good.
Kasi galing kami sa kabila, sa transfer lang.
Very good.
Gusto yung makita rin kami
Yung kabila, sige.
Sipati nga. Ganda mera. Okay. You have a nice view here. Golf course ba to? Wow naman. So nice naman dito. Masarap maging mayaman, no? May anak ba yung dalaga si Joel Cruz? 12 years old? Bata pa pala. Wow. So nice naman dito. Yan. Ang ganda. Okay. Dito tayo. Sige.
Tawagan mo yung or okay na tayo.
Kung naman ma'am, bukas naman po. Kung sure kayo, wala.
Sure na?
Sure na kami.
Reserve ka na?
Kasi pwede na ako mag-reserve.
Sige po, ipakang mo na naman. Kasi ipapabla ko na lang.
Okay, that's it. So nice here naman. Utya. Okay, makikita-kita pala tayo rito. Oh. Kabilang room. Oh, so nice naman talaga here.